vent.
Welcome back to the Wrong Sisters. We haven't seen you guys in a while. I cut my hair.
I grew my hair longer.
Yeah, basically. Wait, we're kind of matching right now.
Yeah. Wait. Got the red plate going on.
She's wearing my jacket. Anyway, we're gonna go on a flight today. We're gonna go on an airplane. Oh, this hurts holding up.
Yeah, they don't.
Now you know what I feel like.
It's to promote women becoming pilots. So, guess we'll see how that goes.
Yeah. So, see you guys.
We're going around.
So, there actually ended up being a storm, so we weren't allowed to go in the helicopter. We were just waiting in line, got the little bracelet, and then
Hey guys, how's the weather?
we weren't allowed to go on the helicopter because it was a storm.